welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler, Training with Tyler, and today is a brand new video on how to do a push-up for beginners. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do a push-ups. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications so that way you guys get notified when I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Let's get this video to 15 likes, comment down below, anything you want, I'll reply, whatever. Share the videos, helps a lot. Now, let's hop into how to do a push-up. So, if it's your first time doing push-ups, this is gonna help you. So push-ups are a beneficial exercise. It's gonna activate all the muscles in your upper body, your chest, shoulders, biceps, and triceps, and mostly your back, your arms, all upper body. So the first thing you want to do is how to do a push-up, obviously, but you can do it in a girl push-up if you want, but your preference. So you want to make sure your arms are shoulder width, so not too far or not too wide, not too far, not too close, but your preference. I like to do shoulder width, so not too far. And make sure your body is at a 45-degree angle, so you can get that like push, like a slant, like a straight position. And then just start 45 low, and then just push up and start where you're at 45, and then keep going. So the goal is to make sure you are pushing, but don't have your elbows going out. Like have them bent this way, like straight, like your elbows closed in straight like that, because it's gonna activate all of your like your upper body areas and really give you that, I guess, overload. See, I'm already out of breath. So I'm gonna do it in a different angle. So, well, there's not enough room though. So, like, this is not gonna help. Like right here, make sure you start off like that. Push up, push up. So, you always want to make sure your arms are like that when you're pushing. Don't go out, go in, like just keep them in like that. So, because you're gonna activate your chest and all that, like I said before, because you can build some muscle. It depends on what you're eating as well too, and you know, all that is part of it. So it is also 6 in the morning. I've been up since 3. I don't know, I'm out of breath already. But it's kind of a short video, but I'll make another video on I'll make a 15-minute push-ups only body weight workout you can do at home. So I'll be doing that video next week, along with dumbbell, a 15-minute at-home dumbbell for arms and for chest. So if you guys want that, comment down below, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications. Sundays, Tuesdays.